What we are going to do is we are going to add a table view over here, and we'll probably add a search bar also. We didn't do that in the class, but we'll actually add a search bar also over there. So the first thing we'll do is we'll say plus, and we will actually say table. Actually, instead of that search bar, we'll actually take the search bar, put it inside this. That is actually good. We'll decrease the size a little bit. That sounds good. Okay, and then what we'll do is we'll actually add the constraints. So the constraints would be, it'll be, let's say 0 from here, 0 from here, 0 from this side, and its height is, let's say 50. Right, so that is added, so it is over there. We'll add a table view. So we'll actually add a table view over here, and for that table view what we'll do is we'll make it 0 0 0 0 from all those 4 sides, and we'll say okay, that is perfect. And next what we'll do is we'll add table view cell. So table view cell would be here, and for the table view cell we'll actually just add cell. We are using this just for the time being. Later on we can actually change it. Okay, so we are all good over here. Next what we'll do is we'll start creating outlets. So we'll go to assistant editor, out. Why did the assistant editor not show up? We'll come to the world weather, select this and say assistant editor. Okay, that's totally fine. We'll actually just press option and say view controller, so this thing shows up. That's perfect. Okay, next what we'll do is we'll start creating outlets. So we'll say this control, drag and drop, search bar. I don't know if we need it right now, but that's okay. Next what we'll do is we'll take the table view, drag and drop, and we'll say tbl view. We will actually take this table view, control, drag and drop to the top, and we'll say delegate and data source. Okay, so all those things is done. So that part is done. What we'll do is now we'll go to the view controller, and we'll add comma UI table view delegate and UI table view data source. So you add these two things. Okay, next what we'll do is it'll start complaining, and we'll fix this. Command X and Command V. Okay, so that is good. What we'll do is we'll actually say let cities is equal to, so the first city would be my location, right? So my location, so current location. Current location. Next will be Seattle. Next would be, let's say, Portland. Next would be, I don't know, London. And next would be, I don't know, Delhi. And let's say Shanghai. Okay, so these are all the cities. What we'll do is we'll say return cities dot count, and over here we'll say let cell is equal to table view dot dequeue reusable cell with identifier for, the identifier for us was cell, and this is index path, and we'll say return cell, and then we'll add the value to the cell. So we'll say cell dot text label. This is going away, so when it goes away we'll figure it out, but right now it's working. Dot text is equal to cities of index path dot row. Okay, that is perfect. That's actually very good. So what we'll do is we'll actually run it on a bigger device. So we'll run this over here. Okay, I don't know why it's taking so long. Hopefully it starts up soon. Okay, so that starts working. Let's see if it loads up our table. Okay, that is perfectly fine. If we actually rotate it, this is looking good. So it's looking good in everything. We'll just yeah, so that is actually perfect. So we'll just stop this. We'll come to the next part where we will be doing location.